Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you enjoy what you see here today, make sure to give a like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. And with that, here's another video of Being Johan. Alright, what do you think it is?
I already know what it is. I picked it.
Oh. What's the fun in that? It's the pear. Whoa.
Oh, it has a dent. I should have just. You see why? Oh, felt like nothing.
Yum. Escape room. We're in prison.
Sorry, Mom. Ellie, can you even see? Ellie? Come here, Ellie. Come on. Ellie.
Oh, that's one of the balls. Oh.
You got it? Look, come look.
What footprints?
What animal do you think made those footprints? What animal do you think made them? Ellie's eating snow behind you. Ellie, where's your ball? Come on, go get it. She sat down. She was like, "Are you kidding me?" Oh, it's actually snowing so hard you can see it on camera now.
Got into my jacket.
Yeah.
Where's your
Oh
ball?
my god. You can't see it on camera, but it's so... Dang, what the heck? I choked on snow. It flew right into me. Oh, she choked. It was so cute.
She left her ball. my god. Hello. Oh my god, this is a lot. Oh, look at the geese. Look at the geese.
Oh my god, they have snow on them. That's so funny.
Good luck, geese. Oh, this looks so weird on camera.
Yeah.
Welcome to our unboxing. We paid $20 for this bar of chocolate. Flip it over. For reference, it's the size of my hand. For reference, this drink and this was only like a couple dollars more than this chocolate. Alright. I don't know how to... If you don't want to break it, I will. Oh yeah. Oh my god, here you go. This is so big, I don't want this big of a piece. Cheers. You ate the whole piece in one bite? I took a little nibble. Okay. I like it. I spent $10 on it? No. This definitely isn't imported from Dubai. They think it looks like, because of one imported from Dubai, it melts. Salmon. We're back. These are bigger than the ones that we have.
Okay?
Yeah.
So the chef recommends you eat it with our pickles, cucumber chives, and our fried shallots with our white greens.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, update by Amy. It melted a little and now it actually is soft. And it tastes a lot better. Do you concur? Oh!
That sounded hard.
Let's just finish it out. So, is it worth $20 still? No. But it's less of a disappointment than yesterday.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, bye.
Oh yeah, also.
Fashion. Look for Twitch.
So we take this, put it in there,
No, I know you're
and then insert. Okay. Please try. Show me how it's done.
I mean, we've had. Oh, you have. Do you dip it or do you use this? I use a spoon, but you do you. Like, you do whatever you like.
One more time. What happened?
There's no way I could avoid that.
Look at the deer. Yep. Do you want to go closer?
If your car gets hit by a deer, that's on you. Like, it's going to go tell its other deer friends to leave now.
Why is it walking like?
Because it doesn't like you. Dude, it's trying to look at that one there.
Where? Oh,
It literally went to warn the rest of its family about you. You know why? Because your lights are on.